Hi guys, I'm Chrysoula and I'm a fashion designer. So today I'm going to show you how I made this coat that combines my aesthetic with Billie Eilish's aesthetic. Just a minute. A few words for the style of Billie Eilish. The signature style characterized by bold, dramatically oversized pieces that seems to melt classic hip-hop with goth and skater influence. She prefers bold colors like orange, blue, neon yellow and all this stuff. Quick story. In May 2019, Billie Eilish revealed in Calvin Klein Company that everything she puts on is deliberating a method of deflect judgment of her body. I've never wanted the world to know everything about me, she said. I mean, that's why I'm wearing big, baggy clothes. Nobody can have any opinion because they haven't seen what's underneath. Nobody can be like, oh, she's slim thick, or she's not slim thick. No one can say that because they don't know. I just like dressing out of my comfort zone. I want to dress in a way that if I was in a room full of people wearing regular clothes, I would be like, oh, I bet everyone is looking at me. I want to feel that way. That's my casual, she said. My opinion? I think she supports it very well. I like her point of view. You know, this is her style and she feels comfortable with that, and that style represents her personality. So, without further ado, let's go to the video.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh,
'cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, yeah. I can fly.
Video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, comment below, tell to your friends. You can also check my previous videos right here. That was it. Until next time. Bye bye.
Searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility. Ability to know if I can bleed.